There's someone coming. Oh, we got her in the big boy. Woo! All right, welcome back to today's video, or Rap 701 actually. Today, we're gonna be showing you guys how to ride a dirt bike with a clutch for the first time for beginners, and we'll also be showing Nolan how to ride it because he doesn't know how to, and he wants to really bad. So hopefully nothing goes wrong, but I'll be showing you guys first how to ride a dirt bike with a clutch, and then we're gonna be seeing if Nolan can. All right, so the other day I actually broke the front brake, so hopefully he doesn't need to use that. So we're gonna go in the back and show you guys how to do it, and then we'll be teaching Nolan how to use it. And he has all of his protection on. I do, just in case. So let's go in the back. All right, so we're down here at the drift track. We were just saying, because there's frost, we're supposed to be, actually, I think we're going to be getting snow here in the next month. So what I was saying about the four-wheelers, it got so frosted and everything's so wet that I think we'll just slide, and the dirt's like rock solid. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to ride a dirt bike with a clutch first, and then we'll be teaching Nolan here. So hopefully nothing goes bad. On the way down from the house, he actually slipped on the grass and he like made a hole in my grass, like dirt hole. Yeah, it's not good. Because these things, I mean, got grip, but they are pretty slippery though, big tires.
The tread is going up, so it's obviously just gonna slide.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna teach you guys how to ride a dirt bike with a clutch here, just in here, and pretty simple. You guys just need a helmet for safety, and gloves or a protection vest, or boots too, just in case if you you know, gun it too fast or you run into something. You don't want any injuries in your head or your chest or anything, your arms. So we're gonna show you guys here. Let's do it. So we're gonna get on this. First thing you need, helmet on, boom. So you come over here. My front brake actually came off. Yeah, I snapped it off the other day. So I don't think we'll be using that today. But we got our bottom brake here. But then we have mine has a electric start. So if I'm not in neutral, I just pull in the clutch. If you guys don't have electric start, you have to have it in neutral to kick start it. So let me show you guys. So that's a neutral. And then I also have a kickstart. And then, oh wait.
And then,
there we go. So, first thing you need then is always pull it in and then shift it down. Mine's one down, four up. So I'm in first now. And you can see it'll start like bogging down after I let go and moving. So that's not good. After you let go and it shuts off, you do not want that. So now you want to give it gas. Give it gas. And at the same time, let go.
so at the same time, you just let go slowly. While you slowly let go of the clutch, just give it more gas and gas.
Well, I'm in first right now. So once you shift, you'll always pull it in and then shift up on this side, and then you go. So I can also start in first or second, but third is really hard, so I'll show you in third. So this is first, pretty easy, and then second, I'm in second now. I always start off in second because of, first is just a very short gear. I don't know what it's for, but for my bike,
like climbing hills and crap.
It's really short. But third, it'll just like bog down.
want to tell them like the gears, what it goes in?
So mine is 1 down, 4 up, or 3 up, and the neutral is right above first.
Yeah, so first, neutral, second, third, fourth, yeah.
So that's all you guys know. Clutch, front brake, if you're on a clutch bike, and your brake, back brake, is down here. So that's pretty good. And then, I mean, all you gotta do is, once you go and hear the bike winding, kind of, you won't always want to pull in, shift up, because you're shifting gears and you don't want the bike to blow up eventually. So if you're on an automatic, you don't gotta worry about that. But same with not a clutch. If you guys don't have a clutch, you always have to shift up if you have the shift off option. Because
if you don't have a clutch, is it just automatic or what?
Well, some bikes have the shift but no clutch.
Yeah. Like my 4-wheeler.
Yeah. So that's all you guys need to know about this. I'm riding a Kawasaki 110. So you guys don't. LR. Brand new bike. Last year, 2 years ago. Got it right out of the crate. So subscribe if you like that. But we're gonna be showing Nolan here how to ride it. I don't know if he heard me, any things I just said. He likes crashing and rolling things. Show you guys some videos.
That's steep. I might bottom out right here. Nope. We're good. Either this side. Get up that. Will the 90 make it? Oh! Oh! It really had to come this way?
And that's why his 4-wheeler's out of commission right there. Actually, I think we're getting that ready to drive because winter's coming and we want to do some drifting on the roads. That's always so fun because I got a 90 just like his. They go like 40 miles an hour and big tires. So I had a 50 that was low, tiny tires, and did not go through snow. But it was also fun. So I can't wait for the 90, what it feels like. So yeah. And his cracked phone that he rolled his 4-wheeler with. So get on the bike, helmet on. You guys, chest protection here.
I promise I'm gonna drive safe, Dad.
Okay, so no front brake, because if you pull it in, it's not gonna do anything.
Oh God.
I gotta get a new one. Sick.
I'm gonna pull in the clutch.
I'm gonna put it into second or neutral first. I think I missed it. Yep. Gas. Alright, there we go. Alright. So pull it in. Push down or up, it doesn't matter. Second's always easiest too. Okay, that's in second. Did you hear that? Okay. Whoa! Okay, so he just went for it. He's buying anything that he breaks. More gas, let go. Oh! Okay. Every time, slowly, and then once you're going, just let go.
Alright.
Okay? Try it again.
I'm gonna go in the first, yeah.
Okay, just go down. Okay, now start it. Gas. Okay. Try it again. Hey! Yeah, come on. Okay, go. There he goes. Try shifting in second. Pull it in and put your thing up. Thing up. Okay, go this way. More gas. I really don't think, hopefully he does not destroy it. Got a brand new grips and back tire. Well, I forgot to have him pull it in when he's done. Oh, he's going. Oh, gosh. Alright. So, I think he's gone. But anyways, at 1,000, we're jumping. I'm telling you guys this again. at 1,000 subscribers, we have this massive hill that has a jump on the top. And we're getting a four-wheeler, and it's gonna be a great video. We're jumping it off at 1,000 subscribers as soon as we hit 1,000. So we're gonna do a lot of stuff. Shoot a potato gun at it, shoot airsoft, blow it up after, start it on fire, I don't know. So it's gonna be fun, but, oh. Dude, hopefully he does not break it. He already has a four-wheeler, doesn't work. But subscribe to Brap701 to see that. We just got these two Coleman mini bites. I'm gonna put them down in the description, the video we made, and we got them off a great garage sale. And a huge build series coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Looks like he does not figuring it out over there, so I'm gonna go help him.
Once you slow down, it just shuts off, right?
Well, you gotta pull in the clutch when you stop.
Yeah, no, then I didn't do that. I can't start it back up. Oh no, it's starting. It's just like I can't. It's like I keep on like not getting it when I pull
it in and shift it into first. Go down.
First?
Yes.
I think I am in first.
Okay, now you're in first. Start it. Hey, more gas. Pull it in. Down. Okay. Now turn around. Okay, go and pull it in. Shift up. Go.
Twice?
No, once. All right. Well, you got that. So try to start this back up. This thing's starting. Yeah. What?
Sure.
You think you got it?
Oh yeah.
All right. That was okay. Okay, now shut it off.
Huh?
Shut this off. Okay, do. All right. So you guys, like and subscribe if you like that. Just showing you guys how to use a clutch on a dirt bike. All right, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like that, like and subscribe. Get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're selling merch. We're gonna sell stickers, and if you haven't yet, my Instagram down in the description. Go follow that. But yeah, we're making it to 1,000, almost there, and we're jumping a four-wheeler off a cliff. So that video is in the description if you guys want to see that video. We built a jump on top of the cliff. But if you guys wondering, you know, how to ride clutch, just wanted to show you guys. And then next video, we're gonna be probably removing the speed collar on the 90 Kawasaki. We did that video on the 50, and a lot of views on that. This winter coming up, actually it's coming to the end of summer. Winter's almost here, so I think I should start looking and getting all the parts I need. I have the turbo and the oil cooler and the hose is, I think. But we're installing a turbo on the Venom go-kart. Stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a lit video on this little 224cc motor. She rips too, it goes about 40 miles an hour. But with that turbo, it's gonna be fun in the snow and the ice. But yeah, we got another video coming up soon. Next video probably with this. We made these things faster, so stay tuned to see those videos. But yeah, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.